Guys, and welcome to today's video. And today we have some more Gran Turismo, and this time we have GT3 with the Corvette C7. So this is a 10-minute race, like an endurance. Put that there. So we're at Brazil, at Interlagos, where Lewis Hamilton won the 2008 Formula 1 World Championship on the final corner by passing Timo Glock for the I think it was 5th, but anyway, we're an 18th battling with the RCF prototype. That is, well, he's still there, but right, okay. So ahead we have the Atenza Grade 3. Actually, I don't know if it's Group 3. It's GR3, so I'm guessing it's group. And we've actually gone wide, and that is last. But I'm going to go up the inside of the Genesis Grade 3. There are some actual GT3 cars in this. Going up the inside of the RCF and the Atenza, and then going wide and then giving the Atenza back the position, but I have overtaken the RCF, so that's good. 7 minutes remaining in this race. This is my strongest track. I feel like it's not the best track, as you can see down in 18th. I'm just really struggling. I'm just not comfortable with this track. I don't find I'm really good with it. As you can see as well, I've on the grass. I feel like this is a track that you can easily lose a position. I mean, I'm in 15th, but you can obviously gain. But it's very easy to lose a position in this track. But it's also easy to gain a position. You can always overtake and then go wide and then give the position back again. I want to see if we can get into the top 10. That would be nice. Coming up the inside of this Aston Martin, yes. This is a very nice livery. But we've got 6 minutes to go, so it's not most time. I mean, we've only made 7 positions. Cam's a bit all over the place. I'm actually sitting down right now. I've got this stool. I'm sitting down. It's quite tall, and the thing is can't really take my weight, so it's all over the place. I've got a bit of a smash from the NSX, but there's only 2.1 seconds between me and the Peugeot VGT ahead. So it's pretty much just a case of staying in 13th place as I go wide and probably give the position to the NSX, or not actually, but he is right on my backside, so. And he almost made an overtake, so I definitely didn't gain from cutting the corner. Technically, I didn't cut the corner. Well, I did, but I cut the corner slowly, so I didn't gain. I actually lost time there. So we're on lap 4, with 4 minutes to go. So there's not too many laps to go, because there's only 3 minutes and 45 seconds left. I'm trying to keep the camera as straight as I can. It's killing my back. At the end of this, my back is going to fall off. Whoa, I'm really trying to keep this camera straight. This is like a game in itself. A mission. Keep the camera in a straight line as best as you can. Apparently you can have like have it published from your camera roll straight to YouTube, but I don't know how to do that. So if any of you guys do know how to do that, then you can always just comment on how you do it. Like step 1, do this, and then step 2, do that, and then well, as you can see, my tyres are dying and I've got little fuel left, but that is up the inside of the Peugeot. A bit of a slide there. So there's only 2 cars to go until I'm in 10th place. But as you can see, I don't really think I'm going to be able to catch them. It's a miracle I managed to catch the Peugeot. Well, then again, it is French. And rubbish. And slow. Imagine if there was a Tomahawk X Vision Gran Turismo Grade 3. That would be amazing. Or more likely the S version. With like a lot less, or maybe the GCSR is like a race. It's got a race car livery on it, but maybe the S with a livery on it. Then again, they have got the Viper, which is a lot more of like it's a lot more suited to this kind of thing than a 2,000 horsepower ridiculous thing. It has got the most power out of all of the cars in this game, and it's like the quickest. Sorry, you can go like 415 miles an hour with the overtake button, but it doesn't wear out the battery too much, especially if you have it on overtake mode ×1, so it's not draining the battery as much. I mean, you can still get a few laps of the you know, the track with the 2 straights and the 2 corners, with really long straights. What was it? I'm trying to think of the name. Oh, what's it called? But anyway, we've got 5 seconds. Oh, look at that. if I'd have gone really slow, I could have finished in 12th. But it gives me a chance to overtake these two cars. Actually, no one is finished yet. Then again, maybe it only shows two cars, so 2 cars behind me. DualShock 4 disconnected me a lot. Like if you leave it on for ages. Oh! Can I overtake the RCF? Yes! Up the inside! Right, now the Supra is the only car standing from me in 10th. Can we overtake it? I doubt, because there's only a few corners to go. Or can we magically turn into Lewis Hamilton? Don't think so. Final corner. This is all or nothing. And can I try maybe on the straight? As the final corner done, I don't think I'll be able to get past the Supra. No, he's done it. I think. Yeah, he's done it. Yeah, I know. But I'm still happy with 11th, considering I'm really bad at this track. I would have preferred 10th, obviously, top 10. I like top 10s. But that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like the video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.